The Infinix Hot 40 Pro is another budget-friendly smartphone from Infinix with a 120Hz refresh rate, 5000 battery capacity, and MediaTek Helio G99 processor. Do you know this phone was built with gamers in mind? Does it mean you can play any game comfortably? Everyone is familiar with the design. They look exactly like the iPhone 13 Pro. The device costs 192,000 naira and you get 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. There's also one that comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. It comes in 5 different colors. Inside the box, you get the smartphone, a SIM card ejector tool, a TPU case, a 33-watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, and an earpiece. Coming to the design, I don't think there's anything special about the looks. It looks exactly like the iPhone, but the body is made of plastic and it has 6.7-inch display for sharp visuals. Whether you're checking emails, browsing social media, or watching videos on YouTube, the contents look clear and the colors pop. And the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything look sleek and smooth, whether swiping through menus or scrolling through web pages. On the right side of the device, you would find a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that doubles as the power button. It comes with a bezels on all sides of the device and a punch hole cutout, which comes with a dynamic bar that allows you to get notification on low battery reminder, charging, face unlock, and background call. I guess now would be a good time to like this video if you're enjoying it, and also don't forget to subscribe if you wish to see more reviews from me. I love the fact that the phone supports front and back LED lights, which would be useful when making video calls in the dark. The phone comes with dual speaker setup, which gives you immersive sound experience since there's a separate speaker at the top and bottom. You get a decent 108 megapixel main camera and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The 108 megapixel main sensor can capture some detailed photos with nicely balanced colors and tones. However, low light performance is just average. Photo lag details and noise starts to creep in. Switching to night mode improves brightness a little bit, but it may still come out looking soft. Selfie from the 32 megapixel front camera shows solid details with accurate skin tone. Dynamic range could be better, but overall it gets the job done. The dedicated macro lens lets you get nice close-up shots of the subjects, and the edge detection from depth sensor produces pleasing background blur in portrait shots. When it comes to video, you get a 4 mode, but the highest is 2K for 30 frames per second, which is pretty cool. Now let's talk about the performance of the device. The Infinix Hot 40 Pro comes with MediaTek Helio G99 chip and 8GB of RAM, which works efficiently to keep performance snappy. Infinix did a great job by giving us a better processor like the Helio G99 processor, which is designed for gaming and multimedia. Even in graphic intensive game like Call of Duty Mobile, graphics look great and the gameplay is pretty smooth. If you're looking for a smartphone that can run all popular games, then the Helio G99 processor is a good option. However, if you're an hardcore gamer and you want to play most demanding games at highest settings, then I recommend you consider a smartphone with a more powerful gaming processor that requires more budget. A 5000 mAh battery easily delivered a full day use for me, even with heavy social media usage and YouTube. With more moderate use, I could stretch it around the day and a half per charge. The included 13-watt fast charger can take the Hot 40 Pro battery from 0 to 100% in like 70 minutes, which is pretty quick. Overall, the low light camera performance could see improvements, but otherwise, this phone delivers a complete package beyond what you expect for the price. If you found the video really helpful, kindly like and also subscribe if you wish to see more reviews from me. Bye for now.